Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the conference website content. If we are going to organize any conference and we have to design any website for that, so what should be the content on that website? So these are the content: name of the conference, name of the organizing institute, conference date, about the conference, venue, conference objectives, why attend, who can participate, about the university, conference tracks, publication opportunity, sample paper template for download, publication opportunities, paper submission link, for example Microsoft CMT portal, important dates, registration fee details, keynote speakers, committee members, and contact us. So these are the contents which we should keep in mind when we are designing conference website. Okay, apart from that we can add additional information. So this is the screenshot of the Microsoft Conference Management Toolkit, and on this we can submit paper. Now we will explore the website. So we are on the website and it is written here, International Conference on Computational Methods and Sustainable Engineering. So this is the name of the conference, ICCMSC 2026, and which is organized by College of Engineering, Core University, Roorkee, Uttarakhand. Now we can see here conference date 29-30 April 2026. After that we will see about the conference, organized by, conference date, venue, then here is conference objectives, why attend, who can participate. We can see researchers, academicians and faculty from engineering institutes. So we can see all the information on this website. After that we are coming here about Core University, then conference tracks. So what should be the theme, on which topic we can submit paper? Computational methods and modeling in engineering. So these are the further details. Similarly, artificial intelligence and machine learning applications. Okay, so these are the tracks. After that, this is the publication opportunity. So this tells where we can publish our paper after presenting in the conference. It may go for Scopus, it may go for SCI publications, or in conference proceedings. Here we will see download sample paper. So we will see the template of paper. So this is the link where we can submit paper. Here it is written Microsoft CMT acknowledgement. Okay, these are the important dates. Last date of paper submission, notification of acceptance, early bird registration, conference dates. Now here we will see the registration fee details for students, research scholar, then academician, industry person. Okay. After that, this is the detail of the keynote speakers. Then here it is given committee members, patrons and chairs. So these are the details. Convener. So the details of the convener, co-convener details. So these are details of the conference which is shown on the website. After login, we will reach to the website, and here we will see create new submission. Here we can submit our paper. So these are the details of the conference which is shown on the website. Thank you.